Hello everyone and welcome to an introduction to the Irish Property Law Service, which contains commentary as well as case law, precedents and consolidated and annotated legislation. On the home page you can see the new and noteworthy section, which contains current awareness articles such as case summaries, summaries of new legislation, or articles on other relevant legal developments. To the right of the home page on the notice board is the Twitter feed, which alerts subscribers and Twitter followers to interesting cases and other legal developments, such as new legislation which has just been signed into law, or an important judgment which has just been delivered. Whenever you want to return to the home page, just click on the Bloomsbury Professional logo at the top left of the page. Also, when you click on the Browser Back button, it will always bring you to the previously viewed page. Just to run through the content of the Irish Property Law Service, it contains the Irish Property Law Update. This is an update produced monthly by Professor Wiley, and we are currently on our 21st update. We have a casebook on equity and trusts in Ireland by Wiley, co-ownership of land, partition actions and remedies by Conway, equity in the law of trusts in the Republic of Ireland by Keane, intangible property rights in Ireland by Power, investigating unregistered title by McGee, Irish Conveyancing Law by Wiley, Irish Conveyancing Precedents, formerly Lafoy, Irish Conveyancing Statutes by Wiley, Irish Land Law by Wiley, Irish Stamp Duty Law by Donegan, Friel and Cummin, the Land and Conveyancing Law Reform Act 2009, Annotations and Commentary by Wiley, Landlord and Tenant Law by Wiley, the Law and Taxation of Trusts by Keoghan, Mee and Wiley, National Asset Management Agency Act 2009 Annotations and Commentary by Byrne and McIntaggart, Specific Performance in Ireland by Buckley, O'Neill and Conroy, VAT on Property Made Simple by O'Connor. As new titles in this area publish, they are uploaded to the site, and the next title to be added will be Compulsory Purchase and Compensation in Ireland by Galligan. This content is fully searchable by using the search box at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This search box will always be present, and anything you type into it will search across all the titles. When you enter your search term, the broadest search term to begin with, the site predicts your search just like Google. So if we search for investigation of title, we can either click into it in the drop-down menu or click on Go for the results to appear. The screen now tells us the total number of hits. In the list of search hits are the title, the chapter and the name of the book. Scroll down items per page to see up to 100 results per page. Results are rendered extremely quickly and there's no waiting for an hourglass. To further refine our search and reduce the number of results, enter a second search term in the Search Within Results bar in the left-hand column. I will enter Registry of Deeds as my second search term. Your results are those documents which contain both the terms Investigation of Title and Registry of Deeds. This can be narrowed down even further by searching for the term Searches. We now have 45 results. To browse your search results, you can scroll up and down the page or go into the full text of each document. You can also flick forwards and backwards in any document, just like the pages of a book. You can also refine it by selecting content type, book, service or the year in the left-hand column. For example, if you want to look at the results within Irish Land Law, click it to see the hits only from that book. Where there are two or more elements to the search displayed at the top of the search results list, and you revert to this full results list, just click X and it returns the hits from across the entire site. Note that the search filters can be removed in any order, and layering your search this way is a good way of simplifying searches. Now let's look at the advanced search. Alternatively, if you want to use Boolean operators and or not, you can use the advanced search. Click on Advanced Search in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you enter the terms in the boxes provided, the search can be refined to book, author name, legislation, precedent, etc. Also note that entries for journal, case name and case date are not active categories and currently do not apply to the Irish service. Let's look at legislation search. If you click on legislation search in the top right hand corner, there is a list of a selection of the main legislation available across all services. Enter the section number or schedule number in paragraph and click search. For example, if we search for section 123 in the Land and Conveyancing Law Reform Act 2009 and click on search, this will bring you directly to the relevant section of the legislation. Next, we'll look at the Save facility. The personal account, which is an extra feature of the online service, allows users to save documents. When you want to save search results or an individual document, click Save in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Saved searches are saved to My Searches, and saved documents are saved to My Content in the personal account. Save My Searches has the facility to send further updated results that might occur in the future. For example, if you happen to know that there is a new edition of a title coming out in a few months, you can save the search and ask the site to alert you by ticking the box. Once the new edition comes online, and if it has new content, you will be alerted. Another way to save a document or a search is just to add the relevant page to your favorites or bookmarker. You can also email documents to both subscribers and non-subscribers. For non-subscribers, viewing is limited to that page. Insert a note and tick Copy Me to receive a copy of the email to your own email account. Click Print, which will bring you directly to the print format. It prints just like any other document, and the formatting remains fully intact. We can also share documents on social networking sites such as LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. We can also export to Word, and the document remains perfectly formatted. Similarly, it remains formatted if you choose to copy and paste into a Word document, and it retains the links. As you can see, the site is very easy to use and comes at a very reasonable price of €695 exclusive of VAT per annum for 1 to 3 users. For a 4-user upwards license, quote, please contact us directly on 01 637 3920. The platform is upgraded every few months, thanks to feedback we get from customers, which is always very welcome, so subscribers get the benefit from many new features. That was an introduction to the Irish Property Law Service. Check out our other YouTube videos on the Bloomsbury Professional channel, and thank you very much for listening.